Hi everyone. Today we're going to read about ANZAC Day, which is on the 25th of April. Let's get started. In Australia, on the 25th of April, we celebrate ANZAC Day. This is one of Australia and New Zealand's most important national public holidays. ANZAC Day is a day to remember the soldiers of the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, ANZACs, who fought at Gallipoli, Turkey during World War I. Today, on ANZAC Day, we remember all the soldiers who died and served for their countries. So ANZAC meaning is Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. When the First World War started in 1914, Australia and New Zealand belonged to the British Empire, so they went and fought with the British. Okay, let's have a look at the Battle of Gallipoli. Here we go. In 1915, Australian and New Zealand soldiers were sent to capture the Gallipoli Peninsula. The ANZACs landed at Gallipoli on 25 April and the Turkish soldiers were waiting. The fight was long and hard. It lasted 8 months. No one won the battle. Many soldiers died, over 70,000 from the UK, France, Australia, New Zealand and British India, and about 60,000 Turkish soldiers. News of the landing at Gallipoli made the Australians and New Zealanders at home very sad, and 25 April became the day they remembered the sacrifice of those who had died in war. During the fighting, the Australian and New Zealander troops showed great courage, endurance and mateship. We call this the ANZAC spirit. After the Second World War, ANZAC Day became a day to remember all Australian and New Zealand soldiers who died in wars. So on 25 April is a special day that we celebrate and remember the soldiers who fought for our countries in World War I and World War II and other wars. Now let's read about the dawn service. Each year, a dawn service is held at the Shrine of Remembrance in Melbourne. People stand and remember during the special ceremony. People sing special religious songs. They pray. People lay wreaths and listen to the names of the Australians who died. A trumpet plays the last post. Then we stand in silence for 1 minute before the trumpet plays revival. And finally, we sing our national anthem. So in Australia, we celebrate ANZAC Day by presenting ourselves at dawn service. We have a trumpet that plays the last post. Then we stand in silence for 1 minute before the trumpet plays the reveille. And finally, we sing our national anthem to say we're proud to be in Australia. We're proud of our soldiers who fought for our country to keep our country safe. Also on ANZAC Day, we have special flowers. Let's read that. Flowers. Artificial red poppies are worn to remember the flowers which grew in the battlefields. The red represents the blood of the soldiers on the battleground. So this is the flowers, the red poppies. Some people wear a small branch of rosemary. This herb is believed to improve the memory. Rosemary is important to Australians because it was found growing wild on the Gallipoli Peninsula. So that's the rosemary there. Okay, let's read about the biscuits. So if you watch our cooking show on how to make ANZAC biscuit, this is the recipe here. So let's read about it. Biscuits. An ANZAC biscuit is a sweet biscuit popular in Australia and New Zealand. It is made using rolled oats, flour, coconut, sugar, butter, golden syrup, baking soda, and boiling water. These biscuits were sent by wives to their soldiers' husbands fighting in the war overseas because the ingredients do not spoil easily. Today, ANZAC biscuits are sold in supermarkets. So let's have a look at our recipe here. So the recipe, we're making about 12. There are no eggs in these biscuits because most poultry farmers went to war, so there were not many eggs available. Something new we're all learning. So our ingredients is 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 110 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of boiling water, 1 tablespoon golden syrup, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. Add a little more water if mixture is dry. Okay, so let's read the instructions. It says, preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line tray with baking paper. In a large bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. In a small saucepan, over a medium heat, mix the butter and golden syrup until the butter has melted. In a small bowl, combine the boiling water and bicarbonate of soda. Add the bicarb and water mixture with the melted butter and golden syrup. Combine all ingredients in a large bowl. Mix well. Place teaspoonfuls of the biscuit mixture onto the baking tray. The biscuits will spread during baking. So make sure you leave room for them to spread. Bake for 12 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven. Allow the ANZAC biscuits to cool on the tray for a few minutes. And that is the recipe on how to make ANZAC biscuit. Now, let's read a little history about the origin of the ANZAC biscuit. Army biscuits, known as ANZAC wafers or tiles, were a hard biscuit eaten by soldiers as a bread substitute. So this is instead of bread, they eat army biscuits or ANZAC wafers or tiles or ANZAC biscuits. They were often ground up and eaten as porridge. The ANZAC biscuit we are familiar with today was developed by the mothers, wives and girlfriends of our soldiers. A sweet biscuit made of rolled oats and bound with golden syrup or treacle. Eggs were scarce during the war. That means there were not much eggs in the war. Were sent to the front line by ships of the merchant navy. So that's where the ANZAC biscuit came about. Okay, so let's look at some facts for ANZAC Day. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have a timeline of the Australians at war from 1914 to present. So First World War was from 1914 to 1918. The Second World War was from 1939 to 1945. Korean War was from 1950 to 1953. Malayan Emergency was from 1950 to 1960. Vietnam War was from 1962 to 1975. Indonesian confrontation. Indonesian confrontation is from 1963 to 1966. Gulf War from 1990 to 1991. Afghanistan is from 2001 to present, which is now. Iraq is from 2003 to 2009. Then it started in 2014 to present. Peacekeeping is from 1947 to present. So we have 1, 2, 3 wars still happening at the moment. And that's a timeline of our wars. Now, there's a special ode we say, and this is what we will say on ANZAC Day. You may hear this a lot. It says, the ode. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them. Let's read that again. The ode. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them. This is said on ANZAC Day at every ceremony we celebrate. Now, let's look at some ANZAC Day facts. So this is the traditions and symbols. So rosemary. So rosemary is worn as a symbol of the remembrance on ANZAC Day. It is a herb found growing wild on the Gallipoli Peninsula. The Flanders poppy is also becoming increasingly associated with ANZAC Day, although it was traditionally only worn on Remembrance Day, November 11. The last post. The last post historically has been used to signify the end of the day. It is played during ceremonies to serve as a tribute to the dead. The Reveille and Rouse. The Reveille is a bright, cheerful call that woke the soldiers at dawn and called them to duty. Rouse is a shorter bugle call, normally sounded alongside the last post at remembrance services, except the dawn service when Reveille is played. So that's very common for us. The Ode. The Ode is the fourth stanza of Lawrence Binyon's from 1869 to 1943 poem, For the Fallen, and has been recited in ceremonies since 1919. So let's read that again. The Ode. The Ode is the fourth stanza of Lawrence Binyon's from 1869 to 1943 poem, For the Fallen, and has been recited in ceremonies since 1919. A period of silence. 1 or 2 minutes of silence is held as a time for reflection and sign of respect. And now that is the end of our ANZAC Day reading. I hope you learned about ANZAC Day in Australia and how we celebrate it. Please tune in and look at our cooking show on making these lovely ANZAC biscuits. If you have any questions, please message us. Thank you. Bye.